Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. So I'm back. You probably didn't notice, but I've been away for over 4 weeks. We've been road tripping through Europe. Amazing holiday. We had so much fun, especially Italy. Italy, it's gorgeous. But I haven't painted in over 5 weeks. Time to paint, right? But I think this summer I want to start experimenting a lot more. I did find my style with those botanical works, but I want to level it up. And so I came up with a couple of ideas. I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna do quite a lot of experiments. Probably a lot of them won't work, it won't look nice, but you only know once you do it, right? And some will probably have potential and I can work further with that. Very excited for it. So today, let's do an experiment here. I've been thinking, and I tend to make always similar shapes and always start with a wet canvas. So this time, I won't start with botanical shapes, but I will start with circular shapes. So that's going to be interesting. So this is just an experiment. Let's see how this goes and how this will look. So I'm just dropping some fluid acrylics by Golden here, dipping my wet brush in it. So what is different, normally I wet the canvas. This time only my brush is wet. This is quite a beautiful palette. See? Alright, I want to create circular shapes. I want to blend it out a bit more. Oh, all right. I like that. This is not going very good yet, but practice will make perfect, right? Let's take this brush. Let's just... Let's take some other colors. Let's wet the brush too. Well, this is different, isn't it? It is different. Well, this is different. This is so different. I'm enjoying this. It's quite hard to create those circles, by the way. Blue. That looks beautiful. That's beautiful. It's only water and fluid acrylics, by the way. I'm really having fun with this. When I finish that circle, I think I should. So it's now all about creating the right colors, composition. This is fun. And it's quite hard. This is quite hard to do. I really need to find the right move to create the circles. You know, my plan was to create like circular shapes and then create some flowers on top of this. Would that be something? So I could create like a flower going from a center as well, so it creates a circular composition as well. So then it would be great to have here one and then probably here one. Let's just take this risk. Let's just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this and then I will use similar colors, just the same colors. Let's not go crazy here. This is so cool. Honestly, this is so beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Let's just create a circular flower first. Well, first, you don't know what I have in mind, of course, what I'm seeing here. But we definitely need here a flower then too. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I don't know what I'm feeling about this. It's so different. It's so weird. Well, this is different, all right? This is different. Alright, well, let's create a stem here too. This one. Yeah, you know, I will stop. I will stop. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. I will show you the dried end result. Here it is in full, and I think this experiment is definitely a hit, but this painting is a little bit of a miss. The potential is absolutely there with circular backgrounds, but the flowers on top of this here are a little bit of a miss. I would love to hear what you think, by the way, of that. Yes. So this painting is not finished yet because I also see quite a lot more potential in this painting. For now, this is the end of this video, but I think I will work quite a lot on this painting still, and maybe you will see that in part 2, and that then will come out next week. So hopefully, I love to experiment, because I would have never imagined this looking like this. Yeah, I would love to hear what you think. And if you want to see more experiments, also, if you have some ideas for experimentation, but staying close to my style, let me know in the comments. Would love to hear that. Thank you so much for watching, and till next week.